the radio station.
Thank you very much, my friends. Adventurers and explorers, hello. All right, and namaste. My name is Adam, and welcome to the Anandapur Avian Sanctuary. It's beautiful here, huh? Yeah, I came here some time ago because it was one of the few places that I can follow my dream to become a caretaker of amazing and exotic birds from all over the world. And my favorite part of each day is this, when explorers like all of you come to learn about the birds. So what do you think? Want to meet some of my friends? All right, well, you're in luck. They're ready to meet you. That's Sweaty, and he's a milky eagle owl. And he is nocturnal. What does nocturnal mean? Shout out. Shout it. He's a night owl. Right, and not only can he see very well in the dark, he's also capable of flying almost completely silently. He also flies really low though, so stay seated. But if we're really quiet, you might be able to hear exactly what I mean. He's quiet. What do you think? Why do you want to show off your silent flight? It's pretty neat. Their wing, their feathers, their design allow them to break the air up as they fly. It's got a little bit of a fringe. He's checking something on the nose there. It's kind of funny right now. It's neat because they actually can't really move their eyes, so he's kind of bobbing so we're going to get a better view. But we're going to see if he moves the floor right over your heads. And then, I guess not. Not just kidding. We're going to see him. Let's fly all the way to Brad, way over there. So we'll see if he wants to do that. But first, he's decided that something up there is of particular interest. So there we go. We're back now. That was like a wave of whoa. So I loved it. It was awesome. But you know, imagine in the still of the night, the slightest sound can give away its exact location.
Russell! Russell, where are you? Oh, the kid is wandered off again. I'm exhausted. Oh, here we are in Anandapur. This is still in India. Oh, this job is for the worst.
Can I help?
Jeepers! You snuck up on me then. Hi, I'm Frankie Jones, Wilderness Explorer Troop Leader. Have you seen a boy named Russell? He's a Wilderness Explorer Scout. He's wearing his uniform. I know he's got a clothes. Oh, he's got a dog with him too.
Not many dogs around here.
No.
Mostly just birds, like that guy who just flew in. This guy is Quetty, and he's a milky eagle owl, but he is an incredible hunter. We were talking about how they can stalk their prey in the dark of the night.
Ray. So, what kind of stuff does, what do you hunt for?
People like you.
What?
I'm kidding. No, he likes to eat mice and rats, rabbits, other birds too. Some of the smaller owls will even catch insects.
Okay.
Another neat thing though, one of their other foods that will eat, skunks.
Oh.
Yeah, why would you want to eat a skunk though? That's kind of gross, right?
Don't they smell funny?
Well, that's exactly right. He can't really smell it. He's got virtually no sense of smell. Yeah, it would help with the vegetables, right kids? Yeah, but you know, what's also really cool about this guy is, as I was mentioning earlier, is that his eyes are incredibly powerful, so they're huge. So If his head was the same size as you or me, each eye that he has would be about the size of your fist.
Wow.
Massive. So he can't really move them. His head is about 1/3 eyeballs. Not a lot of room left for other things. If you get what I'm saying.
Well,
But one of those things that he doesn't have is muscles behind his eyes that help move him, right? So if we want to check something out right over here, we just kind of glance that way.
Right.
But with him, he's got to turn his entire head like he was just showing a second ago.
oh, gosh. Okay, yeah. Nice job on that one, buddy. Yeah, sure. Wait a minute, Bert! Bert, you might be able to help me out. You see, we're on this trip to earn Russell's bird badge, but the kid keeps wandering off, searching for some non-existent bird named Kevin.
Right.
Anyway, we're supposed to find the Anandapur Avian Sanctuary, but he's got my compass. I can't make heads and tail feathers out of this map without it.
Oh, I'm sorry, what was your name again?
Oh, Jones! Lady Jones, how are you?
Well, Miss Jones, I'm doing well. Turns out you didn't need your compass, though.
No?
Yeah, you made it to the Anandapur Avian Sanctuary all on your own.
I did?
Yeah.
Whoa! Whoa! Look at that!
Yeah.
Amazing!
That's Aaron. Yeah, he's the Don Ivis, and then this guy over there, that is Ross. He was a silver gull.
Oh.
Yeah, I think that's just one of the birds you can see around here.
Oh, wow.
You know, I'm Adam, and I'd be happy to help Russell get his bird badge.
Oh, that's well, Adam! First things first. I gotta find that kid. Where is he?
Come on, Doc. This way, boy. I picked up a trail headed this way. It's leading right to Troop Leader Jones.
Russell, you're here! Oh, you're safe! And you're safe! And you're here! And you're here! And you're safe! Oh, thank goodness your dog's safe, too!
Hey, it's not just any dog. He's a dog. We found him in South America. And he's trained. Shake, boy.
Very clever.
Speak, boy.
Hi there.
Hello, Doug. I should have warned you. He's a talking dog.
Well, that's a new one.
Yeah, it sure is.
Whoa, Troop Leader Jones. Look at all of those birds.
I like you pretty birds. Yes, I do.
Russell. Oh, Russell, I want you to meet Adam.
My name is Russell. Wilderness Explorer Tribe 54, Sweat Lodge 12.
Hi there. My name is Doug.
Yeah, he's a real chatterbox. That one he just goes on.
Oh, yes, I can talk. I have just met you, and I love you.
Oh, okay. Getting a little bit awkward. Hang on a second.
You're a sense like
Done it
this.
anyway, right for you.
Yes, you are. Stand and look at people.
Okay, Russell, now that I've found you and your dog, what do you say we get you back home safe and sound, huh?
That's why I got lamb on
But
top.
to be quite honest, I'm not quite sure which way home is. We're a little bit lost. I'm gonna need the compass back, please.
If you are lost, I am a great tracker.
No.
I can find you. Oh, yes, I can, because...
And there it is. I think I'll just stick with the compass.
We can't go yet. We only just got here. And you promised us a great bird adventure.
But people will be worried about you, Russell, and it's my responsibility to get you home safe and sound.
Also, your responsibility to help me get my bird badge.
Right, I know.
I really think that I can help.
With my bird badge?
Yeah, you know, in my time here, I've learned to interpret the bird's natural behaviors in order to better understand them. And you can too, Russell.
Yes! Hey, are they wilderness explorers too?
Squirrel! Oh, they are not a squirrel.
No, but they might be wilderness explorers. Has anyone out there been earning any badges today?
Excellent! All right!
They should know our motto.
Yeah!
Oh please, can I read it now?
Sure. Fine. Just give me back my compass. Thank you so much, paper. Okay, everybody, get ready to repeat after Russell. I'm just gonna put my trusty compass in this protective pouch. You don't want to scratch the glass. These things are very delicate. Oh, let me take the tag off. Have more free range of motion that way. I'll just put it over here. Go ahead, Russell.
Repeat after me. An explorer is a friend to all.
An explorer is a friend to all.
Be it plant or fish or tiny mole.
Be it plants or fish or tiny mole.
Wilderness must be explored.
The wilderness must be explored.
Caw, caw, roar.
Roar!
Wonderful job. Give yourselves a hand. It's okay. Can you really help with the kids' bird batch?
I sure can.
Oh, terrific. So where do we begin, Adam?
Well, has anyone here ever had a great bird adventure before?
We did with our bird friend Kevin.
Uh-oh.
Oh, I do miss the bird named Kevin. Yes, I do.
Have any of you seen Kevin? I just know she's nearby.
Yeah, right there. Anybody seen Kevin today? Serious? Really? Okay, well, it seems like some of our friends share your enthusiasm for imaginary birds. Amazing. What can we see right here and now? You know, in the real world?
Well, do you want to meet some more of the birds who call this place home?
Yeah.
I do. I can't wait to have another bird adventure.
Ooh, look, it's coming around. Now that's a bird. Hey.
That, Doug.
Whoa.
That is interesting bird.
He sure is. That's Miles. He's a trumpeter hornbill from Africa.
Oh, hang on. I have that in my little book of all birds. Here we go. Okay. Trumpeter hornbill. These birds are designed for extreme flying. They can maneuver and dart in and around trees, catching flying insects, their favorite treat, without losing speed.
Yeah, that's true. Do you want to see how Miles flies in the wild?
Sure.
All right, well, we're going to have to create a forest.
Oh.
Yeah, come with me.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so if you're seated here in the lower center section and you're sitting on the edge of the aisle and you want to help out with Miles, the way that you do that is just go ahead and stand up. And then you turn to face the explorer across the aisle and then hold your arms high up like this, like a canopy of trees. And we have the forest. Now hold it.
Oh, hey. Nice forest. All right.
Like this?
That's it. Yeah.
Great job. Now just keep still and respect our feathered friend Miles and watch closely because when he flies, he's fast.
Fabulous. Hey.
Yeah, boy.
That was great. Oh, hey. Could we get the explorers on this side to create a forest?
Sure.
Great. Okay. Just like over there. If you're on the aisle, we'll stand up and turn into the aisle. Okay. You're going to face the explorer across the aisle. And raise your arms like this, like a canopy of trees. Great. Hey, we have a forest. Now hold it.
Well, we sure do. All right, you guys are doing great. Just keep still, respect our feathered friend, and keep an eye out because he's coming from the back this time. What do you say, Miles? We have a great canopy of trees. Here he comes. Welcome back.
Amazing.
Look at that bird.
That was great. Hey, let's give all of our volunteer explorers a hand, huh? You guys make some extra trees. Oh, it's a matter of fact. They were trees. You get it?
Yep, you're really going out on a limb there.
I'm branching out with the funny hand.
Yep, I see that. Miles, you know, I don't have any flying insects, but I've got a grape. How about a tree? Nice catch! Sounds so cool. Does anybody want to try it?
Anybody else want to try? Okay, I see you with, ooh, that's very colorful dress. Okay, all right, so here's the deal. All right, we're going to count to 3. You're going to fly up here. You're going to catch the grape, okay?
Wait.
What?
Hold on. First of all, can you make that noise again? Thank you. Second of all, come on up here. What's your name? Emma. Okay, Emma, first of all, it's Emma's birthday, and that's pretty awesome, right?
All right.
Now, second, turn to face your family so they can get a cool picture for you. And then I'm going to give you this grape, okay? Just hold it in your hand flat like that, and then I'm going to see if Doug and Russell count to 3 for us. All right, and then you're going to toss that grape high up in the air, and we'll see if Miles will get it, all right? Sound good? All right, Miles, Emma's got a grape for you. What do you think, buddy? Okay, boys, give us the countdown.
1, 2, 3.
A great toss and a great catch! Nice job, Emma.
Hey, Emma, I guess that explains why there are no more flying grapes in Africa, huh? You'll get it later. Okay.
I think she gets it now. You know, Miles is already out of here.
Oh, okay, well, hey, it was nice to meet you, Miles. Oh, you was out quick, okay?
Yeah, that
It's
was fast.
lunchtime. All right, anyway, so that was a trumpeter hornbill. Oh, wait a minute. Is there another bird?
There sure is.
Yes.
Is it a snipe?
What?
I've never even seen one of those.
No.
Here, snipe.
Russell.
Here, snipe.
Russell, there aren't any snipes around here. I'm sure there are other birds. Guys, look over here.
Find the birdie. Find the birdie. Quick.
Wow, he has a big beak. Just like Kevin.
He sure does. This guy's a ground hornbill. He's also from Africa.
Wait a minute, hang on, let me find that Yeah, Russell.
Which way's Africa?
Well, wait a minute. I'm not sure. Oh, wait a minute. Let's use the compass. We can find Africa way easier that way. I put it over. What are you doing to my bag? Hey! That's my bag! Seriously? Why are you messing with it? I mean, for real? Why would you do something like that? That's my bag! Why would... Oh no, the compass!
The Wilderness Explorer compass!
Oh, let me check.
Oh, that's compass, huh?
It was a compass.
Oh, he is an angry birdie.
No, he's not angry. He's smashing food. That's just one of the behaviors that birds learn to survive in the wild.
Yeah, crushing his spirit's just a side effect.
Oops. I think he might have scratched the glass.
I'll take it back. Okay.
Not all birds are
Chicken birdies, come here.
Wait a
Come back,
minute.
nothing birdies. Oh,
We'll be right back.
Wait, you got it.
Come back, boy.
Wait, don't run off again. I think they're in from one that they can handle. Oh boy, chickens are fast and pretty smart, huh?
surprisingly smart.
Guess there's a bunch of smart birds out there. Some that are even smarter than talking dogs.
Like parrots?
Like parrots. Wait a minute.
Yeah, they can be some of the most challenging pets that you can have in the home.
Ooh, they can bite.
Scream.
Oh, you meant the parrot. Moving on. Okay. Oh, and they poop everywhere. Why would you put that in the book?
Not the best roommates, I guess.
Very true. Oh, it says here, some of these birds are so smart, they can mimic what they hear from the world around them.
Yeah, want to meet one of those parrots?
Yeah, that'd be great.
Well, you're in luck. Everyone, meet Groucho.
Oh, Groucho?
Yeah, Groucho is a really cool type of parrot. He's what's called a yellow-naped Amazon parrot. Thank you very much, Ray. Now, Groucho, we have a great audience out here, and I think that it would be really cool if you said hello.
Hello.
Excellent.
Hello, Groucho.
Pretty cool, right?
Yeah.
Yellow-naped Amazons like him, they're normally found in the forests of Central America. But he grew up as a pet, and he's learned all sorts of neat stuff from that. But they can be quite a handful. But I'd like to show off some of the stuff that he's learned. How about a song? What do you think? Excellent job, buddy. Very nice. That's pretty cool. And even cooler than that, he doesn't just sing that one song. He knows 7 different songs from start to finish.
7?
Yeah. So, what do you think? Do you want to hear another one?
Yeah.
All right, Groucho, but first they've been great, so why don't you give them a kiss? Okay, you can pick any of your other 6 songs, whatever you'd like to sing for everybody out here. What do you think? Okay, the vocal warm-ups, I love them. They're awesome. And that was Groucho! He sure was. Most parrots, they never learn how to talk, let alone sing at all. And on top of that, that guy right there, he could live to be well into his 50s.
50s?
Yes.
Whoa. That's impressive.
Right?
Well, hey, I guess that explains why they say with parrots, the sky's the limit.
Is that because they fly, or
Yeah, it says, oh, hi.
what kind of bird is that?
Oh, chicken birdie, be my friend. Oh, please, be my friend. I am back now from tracking chickens.
Did you have fun chasing the chickens?
Oh, yes, they were fast.
But not as fast as Kevin. She could outrun them.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah, that bird Kevin is much, much faster.
And she was bigger, like a dinosaur. But we were never scared. Not ones.
Oh no.
Oh, no, we were not scared. Not at all.
Because we're brave explorers. Nothing scares us. Right, boy?
Gesundheit. You know, I am proud of you boys. You are not afraid of anything.
That is terrific. You're gonna love our next bird.
Ah, a dinosaur!
Scary Birdie. Scary Birdie.
Oh, wait. They're not scary. Just big. Right?
Right. There's nothing to be afraid of. He's an Andean condor. His name is Ozzy.
That is a big birdie.
Yeah.
He sure is. You know, Andean condors are the largest member of the vulture family. The wingspan on Ozzy is 10 feet wide.
Whoa! That's right, Russell. No need to worry. The fact is, vultures come in all sizes.
That is so true. Ready for a closer look? You know what makes these birds so special in the circle of life? It's what they love to eat.
Oh, they eat carrion. Ew! Oh,
Yeah, the rotting carcasses of the animals that have died in the wild, which is kind of gross. But it's so important. You see, in nature, nothing is ever wasted. When an animal dies, vultures come along and they clean up that mess. And it stops the spread of disease.
So, in a way, you can call condors nature's recyclers.
That's right, Russell. You know, if we all recycled in our own way, the Earth would be a much cleaner place. But my favorite thing about these birds is how cute they look when they run on the ground. What do you think, Taylor? Should we show it off? Okay. You finish up that last tree, buddy, but then your runway's open. What do you think? Striker stuff? It's this way. And that was Ozzy!
nice! Gesundheit.
And you know, he's only one of the birds we love to see. There's another favorite right now. The crowned crane! Meet Fraser! Fraser Crane.
Really? Fraser Crane. And I thought I was the one with the bad jokes.
Hey, Doug. Say hi.
Hi there. I would like to meet you.
Nope. I've seen a lot of that. The crowned crane is the national bird of Scotland, where they're practically royalty with their tall gold crown. Oh, right? Can you imagine flying over the plains like that?
Pretty birdie. So pretty.
Yeah.
He sure is. Hey, let's see if he wants to come in for a closer look.
Whoa!
Hey, do any of you guys want to feed Fraser?
Oh, I'm good. I do.
Cool. Okay, Russell, come on up, buddy. I've got some of his favorite treats for you, and a bowl too. It'll be a little easier to hold. Here you go, my friend.
Oh, wow!
Russell, you got him literally eating out of your hand.
He really goes gaga for bird seed.
He does.
My hair sticks up like that, my mom makes me brush it.
Very funny, Russell. But believe it or not, there's no hair in this guy at all. That crest up on top of his head, and even his eyelashes are all modified feathers. And the neat thing is, the ones on his head, they're shaped like a corkscrew. So they stand up like that all the time. He doesn't even use any product. And that was Fraser Crane.
Oh, that's a very friendly bird.
He sure was, Doug. And up next, we have my favorite bird. Probably my favorite animal of all time.
Oh, there he is.
Look, guys.
A symbol of pride for the United States of America, the bald eagle. Everyone, meet Hope.
A bald birdie?
Well, the bald eagles aren't actually bald.
How majestic.
And inspiring too. You know, not long ago, the bald eagle was placed on the endangered species list. But then, through conservation efforts, all of us played a huge part in helping their population to recover. And now, I'm happy to say that the bald eagle is no longer an endangered species.
Wow, that shows a lot of determination. It also shows that we can really make a difference.
You know, you're right, Russell. If we make a conscious effort to protect the planet and all of the beautiful creatures that we get to share it with, we can make a big difference.
Thank you, Hope.
Oh boy, this really has been a great bird adventure.
You know, you're right, Russell. And did you know that there are literally thousands and thousands of bird species that live all over the world? And you don't even have to go that far to find them either. Many can be found right in your backyard or even at your local parks back home.
You know, I learned something too. Whether it's an eagle or an owl or a brown hornbill, each bird has its own incredible story. beginning of your adventure.
Russell, look at that Coco toucan up there.
Oh, that's a cool bird.
Heads up! Looks like you got some fresh Russell.
They like me. They really like me.
Oh, Russell, you have truly had a great bird adventure. And so, I hereby decree that you, Russell, have... and Doug, I guess, have earned your official Wilderness Explorer bird badge. Hey, everybody, Russell got his bird badge.
Gee, thanks, Troop Leader Jones.
Aw, you earned it, Russell.
Troop Leader Jones, I think you're the best troop leader ever.
You're my favorite leader of troops.
Oh, thanks, guys. Oh, but hey, what about Adam? We couldn't have done it without him, right? Yeah.
My pleasure. We're so glad that you were all able to visit with our feathered friends here today.
Treasure the wilderness and the creatures that are around you. The wilderness must be explored.
That's right, Russell.
Wow!
Now, we gotta get you home. Let's go now.
See you later, wilderness explorers.
All right, guys. Get
Oh, Chicken Bird is dead. Boy, no, Chicken Bird. Here, be my friend.